Hello everyone, it's your girl Cassandra Olivia, and today I have a video that is sponsored by a company called Lwigs. They are doing a tax refund sale right now, so I just wanted to mention that. I will link everything down in the description box below. In the box came a curly wig. It is natural color, it is 20 inches, and it is 180% density. It does claim to be pre-plucked, if I can speak, but I had to go in and pluck it more because this pre-plucking was not done well and the hairline was still super thick. So I'm just gonna go in and pluck the hairline and spray it with a little bit of water from my spray bottle. And I'm gonna show you guys how I customize the right and left side. I will speed this part up because it's in all my videos, but you pretty much will get the gist of how I customize my units. I like to just part the part that is already pre-plucked in the front, which is about 1/4 of an inch. And then I like to pluck behind that. The reason being, when I go to comb the hair back, I don't want it to be too thin. So this just keeps me from plucking too much hair out. So I'm gonna go ahead and customize this, and I'll see you guys in the next part. So as you can see, the right side is already looking super realistic. So I'm just gonna go over and do the same thing to the left side. Same exact steps. I'm just spraying it with a spray bottle, and I'm just going in with my tweezers and just making sure to pluck as much of the hair as possible to make it look natural. You can pluck more or less. I just prefer to pluck less hair because over time these units do shed. So just keep that in mind when you're plucking your units. You don't want to pluck too much, only because after a while the hair will naturally start to shed. And if you pluck too much to start off with, then you're going to end up with a bald unit, and we do not want that. Okay, so now that I'm done plucking the unit, this is how the hairline is looking. As you can see already, it's starting to look super natural. Not too much pluck, but it still gives you realistic vibes. And now I'm just going to show you guys how much hair I plucked out of this unit total. It didn't seem like a lot, but it was a ton of hair. And as always, this is a 13x4 frontal unit. There's there's track sewn in the back, and it comes with the 3 clips in the back and the sides, and an additional clip in the front. I'm just showing you guys where that is, along with an adjustable strap. I am over here struggling, but I'm going to keep this video up. So anyway, I want to show you guys how the lace looks. It's really natural. It's a very thin lace. I prefer this type of lace when I'm working with units just because it's easier to work with and blend. So if you are a newbie, this is the perfect lace to work with. You want to make sure it's like a transparent lace or a Swiss lace or a HD lace. HD is my top favorite lace, but you can definitely finesse with transparent or Swiss lace. It's very good, both laces. So now you see me just throwing the unit on, and I'm just going to start cutting the lace off of this. And then I'm going to put a little bit of my Got To Be Glued gel on here and just blend her out, honey. So I'm going to show you this process, and I'll come back when I'm done. The Got To Be gel I prefer to use is the black one, only because this is like a water-based gel, so it's not as strong hold as the yellow one. And when you put this on, it's easier to take it off, so it's not going to tear your hair out. Neither is the yellow one, but this one is just a little bit more watery, and it does take a little bit longer to dry. But overall, when you're ready to remove this thing, it's going to come off super easy rather than trying to like get it off because it's plastered to your head. So I tend to use this one when I'm tacking down my units, but I rarely ever glue my units because you guys know I'm all about healthy hair first and healthy hairline, and I do not want my hair to be compromised. So now that that's all tacked down, I did decide to go in with my Got To Be spray, only because this lace was super thin, so I felt like it wasn't drying and sticking to the hair like I wanted to, and it wasn't laying as super flat as I wanted to. So I just went in with a little bit of spray, and I did use like a little handmade fan just to fan that, and then I used my comb to press that into my skin. I held that for about 30 seconds just to make sure it was dry. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of mousse to get this hair to lay the way I want it to. The reason it looks a little crazy and frizzy is because I did pluck it and I wet it and it air dried. So some curls are still the natural curl pattern and some curls are kind of frizzy. So at first I went in with the Nairobi foam wrap, but now I'm just going in with the Jane Carter wrap and roll, and I'm just using that to tame the hair down. Now my spray bottle did break, guys. So I actually went into my bathroom after I applied all this in my hair and just wet my hair in the sink. I'm sorry you guys cannot see that part, but I couldn't bring all this recording footage to my my bathroom. So this is how it looks when it's wet. There's still a couple hairs in the front that are all over the place. So I just went in and I just parted my hair the way I want it to look. But I do want to show you guys the natural curl pattern. This is just with the wrap and roll, and it looks amazing. So I'm really feeling this. I like this. This is giving me like beach, exotic vibes. Curls are really nice and clean, minimal shedding. And yeah, so now I'm just going in with that same wrap and roll, and I'm just slicking down my baby hairs in the front. And all the extra hairs that were kind of sticking in front, I just plucked them out. So yeah, this is how she looks, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you want to see more of these videos down below, because they're going to keep coming, honey, because we're going to keep getting these coins. I will tag all the information down below. As always, do not forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you're feeling this unit. I will post this unit online probably tomorrow or the day after for sale. And yeah, I really liked her. I'm just going to scrunch her just a tiny bit just to give her a little bit of volume so she's not super flat. But overall, this unit is bomb.com, guys. The only major thing I will say is you have to pluck a lot of the hair out, but once you get past that part, she lays like a beauty. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Everybody have a wonderful day. Bye.